Wrong answer -1 in both the sections. Even the NVQs have negative marking. Your current state of mind would be somewhat like running. Don't eat junk food, don't do new chapter one day before the exam. All the very best to all the students who are going to appear for JW, whether you've prepared little. Hello, प्यारे से बच्चों, welcome. So today we're going to discuss about the January attempt of JEE mains, and mainly we'll talk about the mathematics plan in it, how you shall plan your studies. Every of your question will be clear. So first, let's quickly go through the syllabus. I am sure all of you know the recent changes by NTA that the paper will have total PCM 75 questions, where 25 each in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Out of that 25 questions, guys, 20 will be MCQs and 5 will be numerical value questions, NVQs we call it. Now, don't be under the impression there are no optional questions in section B. At the same time, correct answer +4, wrong answer -1 in both the sections. Even the NVQs have negative marking. So please mind that. Knowing the paper pattern, knowing the syllabus, knowing the format of questions, marking scheme, etc. are the basics. I'm sure if you're going to appear for the exam, you all know that. But still, even after knowing that, it's not sufficient. Your current state of mind would be somewhat like running here and there. So let's calm it down, because पेशेंस से बहुत कुछ हासिल हो सकता है. तो देखते हैं कि मैथ्स में क्या स्पेशल है बच्चों. Maths in JEE Mains is highly predictable because the type of questions are repetitive in JEE Mains. Yes, in JEE Advanced the questions do not repeat. But in JEE Mains, if you solve the PYQs from past 10 years, 15 years, you will see that the pattern are very, very predictable. Even sometimes the options method work a lot. Substituting the options back in question or elimination method works. So that happens while practice. But I understand only 1 week is left for JW, and what shall we do, ma'am? Quickly tell us. So I'm going to tell you some easy kill topics that you must do in this 1 week. At least go through their PYQs. If nothing, just go through their formulas, PYQs, few questions, and that can help you boost your score. So these are the easy kill topics that I have designed. They are easy, at the same time they have very high weightage. So this should definitely be the plan for last 1 week before the January attempt, guys. And also for the April attempt, I'll come up with another session if you guys like the video. So these are the topics, bachcho. Vectors, 3D, of course, matrix determinants. You expect a lot of questions. Permutation combination is high weightage, but then it's not that easy to do. So it's a mixture of easy to do, but at the same time, high weightage. Calculus is high weightage but not easy to do, right? So keeping that in mind, we have made this with detailed analysis. Take a screenshot and make your plan according to this. Some few tips in the end that I'll be giving you, and these are very, very crucial tips. Over the years of experience, we have understood that this thing matters. This thing make a difference. So the first very thing is you have to solve as many question papers as you can. Just solve papers. Wherever you get a paper, wherever you get a chance to give a test, mock test, go for the test. Solving paper, giving a lot of mock tests is needed at this time. Checking yourself. Do not juggle with topics, like do not keep switching. Okay, you started with permutations, then somewhere on YouTube you saw another important topic, integration going on, you switch, then switch, then switch. No, don't do that. Make a plan, stick to it. Listen less, work more. This is the time. Analyze and practice repeated questions from previous years. So this is something, if you have practiced, you must be knowing that what are the type of questions that come from a particular topic. You know, you have an idea that from this topic, this type of questions will come. Last minute tips, some do's and don'ts. Of course, I'm not going to meet you again now. So these are the do's and don'ts. Get enough sleep, eat healthy बच्चों. These are basics यार, but basics में हम कभी-कभी बहुत मार खा जाते हैं यार. तो हमें अच्छी नींद लेनी है. साथ साथ, even though you have slept the entire year, don't make a mistake that during exam you're not going to sleep at all. If you don't sleep, you will go blank. So sleeping, having sufficient sleep, not too much, is important. Be on time for exam. Be well before time, like 1 hour before time. Take ID cards and all the relevant things for you need APAR ID and all that. I think it's given. Don't eat junk food. Don't do new chapter one day before the exam. No need of doing it. You are not going to achieve anything doing a new chapter one day before. Don't discuss any topic with your friend before entering the exam hall because that will just lower your confidence. और कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है करके. Confidence गिराना है तो कर लो यार बातें. Don't ask friends how much they have finished. And this quote is very, very much applicable to all of you. If you will manage your time, time will manage you very well. But if you don't manage time in the exam, physics, chemistry, maths, which paper to start first? How much time to spend in each section? So going through the paper and making a strategy during the paper will be very important. I've talked about it in a short video also, but the time, the strategy plays a very important role. है ना? So these are few last minute things. All the very best to all the students who are going to appear for JW, whether you have prepared little, too much, very little, doesn't matter. Go with full confidence, give your best shot, and remember you have second opportunity. So take your learnings from the first attempt and second attempt में करके दिखाएंगे बच्चों. ठीक है? Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.